my RV roof replacement part 2. Now what we got to do is we got to take that air conditioning unit and get it up there. And there's just 2 of us, so it's pretty difficult. We're going to see how we do it. So the inside of the RV, we got to move some of the stuff away from the holes that we're going to sawzall this thing right out so we can fit everything in there. This is the air conditioning unit hole. That's another vent hole. And then that in there is the fan, powered fan, right over the pooper.
We are going to put pilot holes in each one of these corners so we can sawzall this piece out right here.
What's next?
Now we're just going to sawzall this all the way across and cut it out. So we'll go from here. Actually, all right. Just go like this. We've cut a hole in here. Everything looks fine. Now we're going to run a bead of caulk of this roof caulk, lap sealant, and then we're going to put this guy right down like this, make sure it's sealed, and we'll put some screws around this area and call it good. We can go underneath and put this in on the bottom. And we need to make sure that we just have a consistent seam all the way around so that no water gets in at all. That's the main purpose of what we're doing here.
That's a beautiful caulk, sir.
That's what she said.
No, I've never heard her say that.
Okay, here we go. Set this guy in. Set the go. Boom. You really want to see some of this caulk come around some of these little nipple hole heels right here, or the screw holes, to make sure we got plenty of caulk sealing all the way around. Got it. Just step right here with the mat a little bit. I want to clean this off just a little
This is the fan.
The fan for the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. So first we gotta wire it, which is right here, and that's what we're gonna take care of right now. Very simple, very easy. You just, your white's gonna go with your white, which is your positive. Your negative, your ground, and then the blue is gonna go with your black, which is your positive. And all you gotta do is just take these off like this. Just saying.
Let's pretend like it's all turned off.
Yeah. But we're Mexican, not a Mexican. And of course you got the switch that's supposed to be off, so there shouldn't be any current in here. There was. Okay, before we start screwing this in, I'm going to go test it to make sure that it comes on.
roof, we're taking this old caulk off, or putty. That's what it's, putty. So you got to take the old putty off to put the new putty on. Got to go down all the way down there. Putting the new putty down.
Got done screwing in the J molding on the side of the trailer here. Now we're going to put this in, and the way we do it is we kind of pinch a little bit like this, just pinch this in and stick it into your J molding just like this, and that's kind of what we want. If for some reason it doesn't work, just use a little putty knife in here to kind of squish it in there, and you're set to go. Boom.
And cut the thing.
And then cut your little membrane here. Actually, we'll do this first. Yeah.
Cocking the screws.
Cocking the screws. Alright, in order for us to be able to install this into this hole here, we've got to remove this lid so we can get into the screws to screw it in right here. So we'll be doing that right now. Okay. That's it, baby. This is our opening right here. So this is where we set this with our hole right here, and then we bolt everything down from here and here.
Well, we've got pretty much everything up here except for this air conditioning unit. Surprisingly, it didn't come with any friggin' bolts. The last thing we have to do here on the roof, just gonna cut it off, and then we're good.